The Mae Hong Son Loop in northern Thailand is a 650-kilometer loop with over 1,800 curves and 13,800 meters in elevation gain, 1.5 times the height of Mount Everest. Starting in Chiang Mai, the loop goes through the towns of Pai, Sopong, Mae Hong Son, Kunyam, Mae Sariang, Mae Cham, and back to Chiang Mai, going through some of the most remote and mountainous regions of Thailand. As I was about to move back to Canada, I figured this was my last chance to do this epic ride. Trying to complete the entire ride in 8 days, including rests, was going to be the biggest challenge. Let the adventure begin.
Here we go! We are on our way to the back roads, the villages. Hasn't been too bad. It's a long climb, but look at that view. It is pristine. Absolutely gorgeous. Wonderful.
After a tough first day of 130 kilometers from Chiang Mai to Pai, I had a well-deserved rest day. Day 3 had me climb 3,150 meters and ride 106 kilometers to Mae Hong Son. With some sections having over 30% inclines, this was definitely a test of my will and stamina.
Once again, going up a massive incline, and it doesn't seem to end. It's only been a few hundred meters, and definitely goes up around that corner. Wish me luck. Gotta go up 20 meters over, maybe more, just in a curve. It's crazy. The way up the last big hill is about 3 kilometers, just 666 incline. Some guy gave me a thumbs up and said good luck. How do you do by hand? It is way too early in the morning to be going up these hills. I don't know if the video quite captures. This is actually decently steep. It's not so bad as stuff I did before, but considering it's my third day in a row on the bike, at around 100 kilometers plus a day, minus slightly. Legs are starting to feel it. The rest day is in dire need.
I was lucky to be in Mae Sariang for the full moon in November, when the north of Thailand celebrates Yiping, a festival in which paper lanterns are launched into the sky as a symbol of sending off their own bad luck and mistakes. This coincides with the Loy Krathong festival, which involves floating a decorated banana tree trunk downstream. People put hair and fingernail clippings in the arrangement to symbolize getting rid of the bad things in life, money to bring prosperity, banana for having lots of food, and some sweets to bring happiness to one's life. While nowhere near as busy as in Chiang Mai, it was a really great experience to take part in the festival as part of a small community.
Alright, I'm riding on my way to Mae Chem, which is near Doi Yithan on the highest mountain in Thailand. And I finally made it up to about, 1,200 meters of elevation. Since I think I started at 250 meters and now I'm at around 1,150 or so. And for the rest of the next 40 or so kilometers, I should be cruising along the top of these, the ridge of these mountains. So just going up along the top of the mountains, which is pretty cool. And it's pretty lovely. The view, it's good. Can't complain here. I'm going to show you guys what hitchhiking on a truck is all about. Grab on, counter steer a little bit, hold on for the ride. Just had an epic 20-kilometer downhill section, and off for the next 25 kilometers of the valleys. I gotta climb about 1,200 meters, so it's really not that much. It's an insane climb. I knew it was gonna be hard because the whole thing was just red. And I think it's meant to be 3 to 4 kilometers. I must be getting near the top, but I'm fucking deep. Across to this side of the road because there's more shade. Makes it a little easier. And did have to stop once a minute ago. It's hard. I'm going like 4 point whatever kilometers per hour. That last 5 or 6 kilometers pretty near killed me. I think the hill I climbed in on the way to Mae Hong Son was harder, maybe, but that was days ago, and pretty nearly, aside from yesterday's rest day, I've done 3 100-kilometer days before that, and I've already 100 kilometers into today's ride. So I don't necessarily think it was as steep, but it destroyed me, and I'm utterly gutted, and I still have like 28 kilometers or something to do. Beautiful, this valley, or this, not valley, mountain. All the fog is starting to lift, so you can start to see down in the valley, and it's pretty.
Upon reaching the Doi Ithanon turnoff, I had to decide whether to go up another 9 kilometers and 900 meters of elevation, or start to head down the mountain. It was tough to let go of my ego and admit that if I wanted to enjoy my time in Chiang Mai, I was going to have to forego on summiting Doi Ithanon. Maybe next time. That is the end of the bike trip. I have made it down the mountain to the main highway, and I just folded my bike in half, put it here on the truck, and we are cruising down the road. I'm just having a little bike around Chiang Mai and checking out the sights. It's my last day here. And since I finished the rest of my trip, I figured it's time to see a little bit of what this city has to offer. I spent my evening yesterday with cycling too, and another guy named Scott, who's doing a round the world trip. And I'll be meeting up with them again later tonight to go hit up the cowboy hat lady for some of her famous food. Just following the outer ring road of the old town, where I guess once upon a time castle walls would have stood, or city walls. And following the moat around the city.